take advantage. Hi, hello. Subscribe lang kayo dito. Mag-iingat kayo. Lahat ng viewers ng Rochelle Anting vlog, please do subscribe and thank you for all your support. Toits, oh. Yeah, no. Ingat. So kailangan magbalanse ito. Tama po siya.
Your man!
Really proud of you. Thank you. Because this will give comfort to the consumer. We opted to check randomly your station simply because most of public utility vehicle within the Bloomington area, the Masalang area, pass through here. And as you all know, malakas na yung gas na really proud of you, and I'm really happy and proud that you're treating the situation squarely and fairly. Thank you very much. Pagbili namin, pero lang pagbili namin ng pero makabili sa kasi bawal lang ito po yung paano magkano kayo bawang mabay lang sobrang mahal. Safe naman siya. That's for, mahal na dito. So let's do this here. In line with the national policy, Department of Energy Direction and Directive through Secretary Gary. And yesterday, the Metro Manila Mayor had a meeting with Executive Secretary Ralph Recto based on the new plan of the President, Office of the President, Bongbong Marcos, magbibigay ng financial assistance. And DOE is saying that gas stations should do a normal day. Tumaas sa 2 piso, tumaas sa 2 piso. Tumaas sa 5 piso, tumaas sa 2 piso. And their meters are in check. Walang mag-abuse pa. Take advantage of this situation. So, two things, no? Make sure that businesses, particularly gas station industry, in the city of Manila, is in order. Because there are laws also that requires them to be measured yung kanilang mga metro. And yung prices are within the allowable increase as per DOE. Yung mahalaga kasi yung sinabi natin. With that, another prong, two prong approach is now, nagkagayak na kami, nagre-ready na kami for distribution of financial assistance to the public transport group. In this case, we were tasked by President Bongbong Marcos and Executive Secretary Ralph Recto yesterday, all Metro Manila mayors, to furnish the copy of the list of tricycle drivers na listed officially in our respective local government, which we did. So by next week, ipadadala na ni Presidente yung 5,000 pesos na financial assistance through DSWD Secretary Rex Gatchalian under AIX program. Kasi ito yung pinakamadali, pinakamabilis na tugon na available sa GAA. So by Wednesday, simultaneously all over Metro Manila na magbibigay na ng financial assistance. Then this morning, we were advised by Secretary Banoy in our chat group na igayak na namin yung listahan naman ng operator and drivers ng jeep. Kasi sila naman ang susunod na bibigyan ng 5,000. Then that includes also TNBS, rider, taxi, and buses. Now the thing is, we need the data of these particular individuals and operators coming from LTF RBA. Kasi nasa kanila, tangan-tangan nila yung datos nila. Sino taga Maynila ang TNBS? Sino sa Maynila ang rider? Sino sa Maynila ang taxi operator and driver? Nasa kanila yung lista. So, tricycle, immediately by next week. In Manila, there is about almost 11,000 of them. The jeepney driver, we have about 1,000 plus jeepney drivers in Manila. So, sunod-sunod na yung pagbibigay ng financial assistance. Ito ay tulong ng national government para maibsan yung nararamdamang hirap ng ating mga driver sa pampubliko. Dalawa, consumer, the general consumer, whether the business, gasoline stations in Manila, are doing a square and fair job doing business. Tapos yung ayuda na pamahalaan para sa ating mga pampubliko.
Ano naman po ang hindi na po yung gasoline na
Yes. Last week, how many ano binira nyo? Nakailan kayo? This is random inspection being done since nagkaroon ng aberya, naabatan na namin. Tapos tuloy-tuloy naman to. Kaya para panawagan ko na rin, para may use to 7 now, sa lahat ng mga gasoline station na doing business inside and within the territorial jurisdiction of the City of Manila. Eh, tularan nyo. Jimmy, no? Oo. Jimmy. Nakapuri-puri na sila hindi nag-take advantage. And I think I'm calling your attention to be of help with the situation. Kasi ano na to, kailangan na to. Kung ang ginagawa ng gobyerno ngayon, ng national government, whole nation approach, all government working hand in hand, I think kailangan din natin ng partisipasyon ng private sector, in this case, the gasoline station industry, na proteksyonan, ipagmalasakit ang kapwa natin Pilipino sa atin. Ang gusto ko, katulad ni Jimmy, tuloy-tuloy ang negosyo niya. What is important, meron siyang supply. May supply ang bansa, may supply ang gasoline station, so that the economy will continue to move while it is being stunted by the situation, but we have to have this supply available.
ano naman po na nababala mo sa mga gasoline na mapapatunayan po?
Mabigat yung sinabi ni Secretary Karin. Napakabigat. I think Secretary Karin is very serious about penalizing, especially if you are a branded gasoline station. May pananakit. In our case, you know, I, your mayor, will not allow abuse sa part at maapektuhan ang consumer. So, remember this, that doing business is a privilege. It is not a right. A privilege given by your city government. So when it is a privilege, if we can give, we can take it back. So I hope you know how to read between the lines. But for now, I try, and as much as I can, directive given to agencies of local government na maging empathic sa sitwasyon, halawagin ang damdamin at kaisipan sa pangunawa, but make sure they are at bay. Mapantayan, mapangalagaan ang kapakanan ng mamamayan na umaasa sa partikular na produkto na ito para sila makapaghanap buhay. Thank you.
Thank you. Wala kayo sa mga sasakyan niyo. Let's go.
Thank you sa inyo, pati sa mga viewers nyo and followers nyo. Oh, marami na kayong aabangan.
Yes, excited
Handa
na po
ba kayo
kami.
mapuyat?
Yes naman, your man.
Ay makapagpasalamat sa inyong lahat. At sa ating mga vloggers, shout out sa lahat ng vloggers. You survive. Abonado pa kayo. Thank you very much sa inyo, ha? Hi, hello. Subscribe lang kayo dito. Mag-iingat kayo. Lahat ng viewers ng Rochelle Anting vlog, please do subscribe and thank you for all your support. Toix, yeah, no? Ingat.